Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can change languages to your own languages in Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace Platform. So let's go to admin panel. After login to admin panel, scroll here, go to language section. You will see all the languages listed here. Currently we have only one language, which is English UK. Direction is LTR, flag is ENGB, status is public, and currently it is set as default. If you want to edit this current language, you can just simply click on edit language. You can change it here. If you want to translate any of those languages word, you can just click on all edit all word. So let's add another language so that I can show you how it works. Click on add languages. Let's select language as Hindi. Then direction is LTR, or currently it will be status as publish. Flag is HIIN. Click on save. Language is added. To make it default language, you can click on here and click on make it default. Currently our default language is Hindi, but as you can see there is no any visual changes here. It is because we have just added the language, but we haven't yet translated all the languages string. So for edit all the language string, click on the edit all words. We have landed into this interface. Let me first introduce all the things one by one. You can search all the available word here, and then you can add any missing word through this button. Click on this button and add the new string, and here will be a translated string, and then click on add new string. It will be added in the systems. If you want to regenerate all the file, you have to click here. By clicking here, you will lose all of your changes data. It will system will generate a new language file or yourself. So let us start with by translating this dashboard. Let me search here dashboard. Here click on the dashboard. Now you will see a options for translate the dashboard. Let us translate it to Hindi. Let's change this to Hindi, and now click on update changes. As you can see, the word is actually changed to Hindi. If we search again dashboard, now you will see the translated version of it in the right side. So this is actually how you can translate all the strings one by one. If you found any string is missing, you can simply add from this add new word. And for all language, click on all language. So basically this is it. Now you can translate the complete website into any different languages. Let me clear another things to you. The Xilancer platform you are currently seeing is not actually multilingual supported, which means you cannot use multiple languages at the same time. In other words, your user cannot select the languages they want to see. So it can have only one language as default, and it will be reflected in the throughout the project, in the backend, in the admin panel, in the front end, in the user panel, in the freelancer panel. Everywhere the language will be reflected. Thank you so much for watching. I hope now you understand how you can change the languages in the Xilancer platform and how you can translate it to as per your desired languages. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.